This might not be the prettiest dish you've ever seen, but man is it one of the most flavorful. This is chicken curry udon from the Fallout cookbook, and if you're making this after the apocalypse, you can for sure use some radgulls for the meat. Here's what you need in order to make this, and there's a lot, so if you're following along, just go ahead and screenshot this. I'm not going to list out everything. To get started, we are going to make a roux, so we're going to combine our garam masala, turmeric, coriander, cumin, cinnamon, and cayenne alongside flour together, then melt some butter and whisk in our dry mixture. As our dry ingredients are absorbing our butter, we're also going to include some ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, and honey until this becomes pretty solid. Then we'll set this aside. Next, we'll prepare our onions and mushrooms before sautéing them. While they're sautéing, we're also going to prep some carrots. Once the mushrooms and onions are nice and soft, we'll add in our chicken broth and then the carrots and simmer for 30 minutes. Now that this has simmered for a while, we're going to integrate our roux to get this really thickened up. And the best method to do this is a little at a time. So we'll ladle out a little bit of our broth and stir in about a quarter of the roux. Then we'll add it back into the big pot. We'll repeat this until our roux is fully incorporated. Make note of the difference in texture here. It definitely worked. Oh, and I forgot to mention, when assembling this stuff, we're also going to add in some soy sauce and mirin. But you can add that at this point without any issue. I forgot to film actually adding that. To serve, we'll place down some noodles, then our mixture, chicken, and some scallions. I really like this recipe. It has a blend of like Indian and kind of Thai flavors and a good amount of heat to it too. I enjoyed this thoroughly and rate it a 10 out of 10. If you want the unaltered Fallout recipe, be sure to check out the Fallout cookbook, and if you want to step this up, make sure to make your own broth, also from the Fallout cookbook. And you can see how to do that in this video that I've done here.